Alright, I'm going to teach you today. Abi you no say Jehovah na God. So just pay very attention to the song. I'm going to teach you on key F, on key F sharp, on key C, and in key C sharp. So today I'm going to teach you the normal detail on how to play Abi you no say Jehovah na God. Let's do it. Abi you no say Jehovah na God. 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 Abi you no Abi you no say Jehovah na God. Abi you no say Jehovah na God. Abi you no know. Abi you no know say. Abi you no know say Jehovah na God. You no know say Jehovah na God. Abi you no know. Abi you no know say Jehovah na God. Abi you no know say Jehovah na God. So this one is on key F. I'm going to show you how to play it on key F sharp. Yes. Abi you no know say Jehovah na Abi Abi you no know say Jehovah na God. You no know say Jehovah na God. Abi you no know say Jehovah na Abi you no know say Abi you no know say Jehovah na God. So alright, that one is on key F sharp. So I'm going to teach you on key C. I'm going to teach you on key C. So let's go. Abi you no know say Jehovah na God. Abi you no know say Jehovah na God. Abi you no know say. Abi you no know say. Abi you no know say Jehovah na God. Abi you no know say Jehovah na God. Abi you no know say. Abi you no know say Jehovah na God. Alright, so I'm going to teach you on key C sharp. Yes. Abi you no know say Jehovah na Abi you no know say Jehovah na Abi you no know Abi Alright, this is how to play Abi you no say. Okay, a secret I'm going to tell you. I'm going to teach you this secret on key F. So whenever you're playing keyboard, if you want the rhythm to become in a full, you're gonna use 4 chord, like using like this. Abi you know, Abi you no say Jehovah na God. It must help you from on soloing. Even if you want to solo, it's going to go fluently because your hand have measured the whole scale, not leaving the chord and play like this. So by then you could just play. So by then all your hand is now full on that chord. Abi you no say Jehovah na God. Jehovah na God. Abi you no say. Abi you no say. Abi you no say Jehovah na God. Abi you no say Jehovah na God. Abi you no say Jehovah na God. This is very smooth. But it's much difficult. So, but now, small, you know it. Let me add it to bars now. So that's how to play it, my guy. I'm going to teach you next time how to develop that bass, how to play circle 4, circle 5th. But today I just taught you the easiest bass there. Abi you no say Jehovah na God. Abi you no say. So just by gradual, then you capture some certain things. Next time I'm going to upload how to create those bars and rhythms, right hand and left hand. So thank you for watching. Just hit the subscription on this thing. Abi you no say Jehovah na God.